the silent English mistake that keeps you stuck, and how to break free. You watch videos, learn grammar, write new words every day, and yet your spoken English still feels stiff. Why? Because you're learning but you're not speaking. Speaking is the only way to get better at speaking. Don't wait till you're perfect. Start speaking now. So here are 3 simple ways to do it. Number 1, speak out loud every day, even if you're alone. Talk about your day. Narrate your actions. I'm cooking, I'm walking. It doesn't matter what you say, just keep talking. Number 2, use voice notes. Hear yourself. This is a powerful way to improve. Record yourself for 30 seconds every day and listen back. It's uncomfortable at first, but it's the number 1 way to self-correct. Number 3, remember, fluency does not equal perfection. Native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time. Fluency is about flow, not flawlessness. So break the silence. Comment "speak," and I will reply with a speaking practice prompt. Are you ready?